guys, today we're gonna look at the Mercedes E36 AMG wagon in red from Fast Wagons. I do have the whole set, but so I just have the red one. I think this is like probably the hardest one to find in the set. Then so out of these four, I'd feel like the Mercedes is hardest to find, then the Audi, then the Subaru, then maybe the Volvo and the SS Chevelle. But yeah, if you want the back, here we go. I always try to find like maybe here's the front if you want. Maybe just give it a rip open. I've gotten like better, so yeah, I've gotten better at opening these cars now. Before I used to kind of struggle. Wow. That does look pretty nice. I love wagons, so I feel like this set is like really nice for me. I really love these older type of wagons. You know, it's like a normal, regular Mercedes, but after it's just boom, just turned into a wagon. You know what I mean? Pretty cool. Oh shit, bro, are you serious? This shit will get out. Yeah, don't tell me. Sorry, the thing broke. I think it lasted like 5 years at least, but not bad. So, back to the car. I really do like this model. Pretty cool, glossy red. Interesting casting. I really love wagon stuff. Pretty cool. Love the wheel choice. Really nice. Love the front detailing with the little wiper blades on the headlights. The back is kind of boring, but a little bit the scaling, I feel like it's a little bit odd for the back, but like makes sense to 164. But all the handles are painted. It's got a little sunroof on top. Just a beautiful casting. A little painted bottom. I like the plain metal bottoms too, but the black bottom is also pretty nice. The car rolls pretty smooth. It's a good thing that's kind of heavy, so like moves pretty good. I really wonder if the axles on the premiums are heavier, so they can hold the weight of the car since it's made of full metal. So beautiful casting. Yeah, guys, nothing else to say about this lovely little E63 AMG. Other than it is beautiful. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.